On the other hand, taking serious note of Naranseina attack, security advisor to Manipur government Kuldiep Singh said whoever is responsible for the attack will not be spared and will pay a heavy price. He was speaking to media during the Guard of Honour ceremony held for the slain CRPF personnel at Imphal airport today. Responding to queries of the media on the sidelines of the ceremony, Kuldiep said the security agencies have stepped up search operations. However, he declined to divulge the details of the operation. Terming the attack a serious one, Kuldiep said targeting neutral forces will not be tolerated. He also highlighted the growing trend of attacks targeting national infrastructures like highways, power line, etc. A meeting with the top brass of security forces like the IGR South, COP commander among others was held, he said, adding that the security agencies will not leave any stone unturned to get to the core of the attack. The security advisor, however, brushed aside any security lapses from the part of the intelligence agencies, asserting that intelligence is a broad level subject. He said that this is the first time central forces who are considered neutral are being targeted. Nevertheless, he vowed to punish those responsible as per the law of the land.